Now, the NDC propagates seriously on Galamsey, and they fought Nana Addo very well on Galamsey. They were saying that Nana Addo is even doing Galamsey in his own home. No one can say ni fear. John Mahama betra konwa so. Na de won he ade bia papa we no wahu. Menim what is wrong with him. Galamsey John Mahama legacy o. Galamsey John Mahama ni legacy. Kufuor Breso there was no Galamsey. There was no Galamsey, mechanized Galamsey. There wasn't. Mills, John Mahama Breso, and a Galamsey G. Dean Wagana Maimu. Nana Addo came in with the intention to solve Galamsey. Once Nana Addo brought a national dialogue, wana obia kasafa Galamsey hua. A way to fight Galamsey. Now, you know what? Matthias Mbi. As I'm saying, no, Nana Addo is somebody that Ghana will always and always remember him. I'm saying for who are warrior who kind some year and answer when you drum pempen so be 2016 campaign. I'm sure say you never heard MPP using Galamsey as a campaign message. Do you know the reason? What I have heard and I say, Nana Addo told MPP communicators in say they should not politicize Galamsey because Galamsey no a national issue. We have to use a different manner to solve it by creating a kind of a national dialogue. Ebe mo pia to the one say Galamsey no we are a tiawo. So Nana Addo told people, MPP communicators, not to talk about Galamsey on campaign platforms. In fact, Ubedimi Adansi here said Nana Addo MPP never talk about Galamsey in 2016 election, but it was there. It was there. Because of Galamsey. John Mahama betra konyaso. He brought in 50,000 Chinese men to come and do Galamsey. It is for record. That was the first time China for 50,000 without visa. Visa on arrival. It is John Mahama that brought 50,000 Chinese men in Ghana. At the mechanized Galamsey Ghana Maimo. They can mechanize Galamsey American ye. And it's a wooden fitie a two sika foot sika coco. Ewo kwa mbone so assassin. John Mahama Breso ne share. Because Kufuor Breso no na your friend pole yen ye the savo any pickers and a co vudum na ye kotutu emura na ye kotutu na tie na ya horo na yenya kakra. But when His Excellency John Mahama and Professor Mills Ebedi Akonyano, the NDC leaders connected themselves with the criminal Chinese and they started coming in with chamfine, with excavators, and moreover to do Galamsey. But Nana Addo refused to use that message for campaign. He decided to fight Galamsey. But what happened? Whilst Nana Addo was trying to solve Galamsey in intelligent way, without politicizing it, the NDC came out to politicize everything. Started accusing Nana Addo, starting saying MPP for Galamsey. Abraham so ameti he ne wo tie mi enim say Western region very dominated by the NDC big wins. And say Oko Western, any central region, but the NDC for door so that are the places that the Galamsey was going on too big. An intelligent man who understands say me yi nipa 100 was outside the ha. Na emu 70 NDC for. Na say ye two Galamsey wo ho the proportion of involvement, NDC proportion of being part of Galamsey higher than the MPP people. But the NDC was able to orchestrate propaganda campaign message to show to Ghanaians say Ayananado and an Nkrofo and a Galamsey. And the most warm baby I hear me yana say Abrananado Kutia Galamsey no. And DC people were going on the Galamsey pit. Kokubwa henom to tell the Galamseyers say Nanadu ni pabone ompese Galamsey fobe didi into a monkoto abantiano. In fact, 2020 and MPP lost almost all the seat in the western region and in the central region. But at the same time, whilst they were doing all these bad things, they will still turn their eyes and say, a young people for Galamsey. And when we were fighting for against Galamsey, the NDC was, on the other hand, taking advantage of that. Akufo-Addo timedne, MPP for Galamsey, more the person by Galamsey. No, more ya, and a Ghana for say, okay, some mobile me Galamsey, yeah, and a Kotoa Bama. 2020, BIM, and Omobro Yang. 2024, Medaso a show. A man for Kotoa Bama and Troning Kontompo. Binya Barima, and this is better Kunyasui. The Galamsey is worse because Yenim. Say NDC MC for Galamseyers. MDC regional chairman Galamsey. Yenim say Yusuf Yamin Eshe Wudam or Galamsey serious. Yenim say many DC for more western any central region Ghana Maimu. They are involved in Galamsey and some party chairmen. Yeura Sabio John Darigan Kasaba Bontiambe country Ghana for say he knows to say his people are involved in the Galamsey. But still, the NDC people will go on the television to tell Ghanaians and say there is no Galamsey. Let me show you a video of a water, a river, how it has turned to watches. And it is and soon I are turning into this so. But you get some bogus mentality to come out and tell you, say that be. And I'm saying, ye traso, ya quantiano. Look at this water. Look at it, oh. Look at it. Now, you know where is the funniest part? The funniest part, and I say, NDC and his people mounted bigger protest manifesto, whatever you want to call it, on Galamsey, where they were inciting the name of Nanado for being the cost of Galamsey. Abusia, the people who involved themselves in these demonstrations were numerous. But I have a question to ask you. Where are those fools? Monfancheme, say a trifaswa. Where are those fools? Freedom fighters. Why? A Jimmy for. Look at this video. Watch this video here. Yes, and the Ankrofo will no more team stop Galamsey now, but my question is more. Look at I'm saying and stop you. Monkanchira Mamma not team say Galamsey and stop you and Surunye. Where is he? Our Hefa, what has happened to him? Now him there. And the NDC communicators have started making some junky communication skills. Ebini dia wahe. God, I'm saying no, a national issue. We must to have a national dialogue. Abraham Anado Teso. Mosin Anado is the chief commander of the Ghana Armed Forces until he can use 1 week to stop Galamsey. And then Drumoso. Fidie na chimwa. Mo be kan kire Ghana for said day. And then Galamsey a national kanga. Galamsey na ne can say a collective effort. Any bit to media stop Galamsey. Mosin enye no kore. A young people for na ye Galamsey no. And that the NDC in power have the audacity to tell the Ghanaian men, say, we need to come together to fight Galamsey. We
have veered off. The actual point I wanted to make, all right, or the real point I want to put across is that as of now, in our national life as a country, regarding the fight against illegal mining, the involvement is across all spheres. Everybody, I may want to put it that way, is involved. And let's not focus on specific individuals. People from the religious community, media, politicians across board. And so because we have gotten to, that level of...
it's always been like that. Before election 2024, it was like that. I'm sorry about that. But the thing is saying it's always been like that. Let's not be hoodwinked into thinking that something has changed. Galamsey has been across board, and they said it's a problem. It can be solved within 1 week. I'm sorry.
When I give you your time,
please, thank you very much.
Please,
we will solve it within 1 week. Politics.
Proceed.
Right. So I'm saying, due to the wide spread complicity, the interventions alone, as of now, are not enough. Look, if you were to, for example, NIMOS has started its nationwide deployments, permanent nationwide deployments to all the relevant flashpoints. But sometimes NIMOS goes on the fields, and you see that the locals themselves are not even interested in NIMOS coming to curb the menace. So the point we are making is that because of how it has become, we've gotten to a place where it should now be an issue of conscience. And I'm saying it very, very honestly. Even enforcement may not necessarily give us the kind of results that
so we want the fight to be a moral one now, not a legal one.
Yes, because
but that will not succeed.
No. You see, the reason emergency.
Polado, you have been
state of emergency. Do it.
Akufo-Addo did not do state of emergency.
He banned Galamsey.
No, but that's what he did.
Oh no, he banned it. Let me
there was no state of emergency. Everybody proceed.
If he didn't, he took.
I was waiting you, and at the NDC, you catch the Ghana for a second. I'm saying no, ya debi or say say moral, and I am fan fighting, not the force. Now you there, who my son Akufo-Addo concert, or no, you're the chief commander of the Ghana Armed Forces, and on declare emergency, no one, and then the question we say, already, hey, we are surpassing beer here. And then they say we can use modern manner to solve Galamsey. Why won't Paul Adomo get angry? It is normal because a insult. Said do it just 1.5 years ago. You were telling us to say the Galamsey fight is so responsibility of a president. It's a collective. Hey, already.
Action. The same as a state of emergency. Yeah, but the action he took has not been taken. You have not reached that threshold. President Mahama says God is giving us money.
Please proceed.
You right now.
Please proceed.
Proceed. Is here. There's AIL.
Proceed.
Yes. So I'm saying basically that yes, there is enforcement. I mean, from NIMOS and the rest of the interventions that we are rolling out. But we need to come to a place where all of us would, as a people, you see the way when COVID came, you realize the national approach to COVID. I mean, all of us saw it as a threat, and then we all rallied.
That's and just said that I'm saying no. Yen said the COVID by ya na na do manage no. Yetimi ekasa chira man for mo piate ne ho ase say he should not do this and do that. and then this is for some more team. They are now reasoning like a human being.
Collectively.
We put soldiers on the street and prevent people from going out.
But I'm saying that
it wasn't deliberate.
But collectively, as a people, we saw COVID as a foreigner that
there were people who.
March 2017, Akufo-Addo placed a nationwide ban on small-scale mining in March 2017, later extended to halt Galamsey whilst reforms were rolled out.
But is that a state of emergency?
Ban.
You said
yes.
I'm not distracted.
Which I belong to. In 2017, we started the Stop Galamsey. When we
through 9 months are ongoing. There's been reformation of the license.
You are sounding hopeless, and I'm worried.
No, I'm not sounding hopeless. Yes, the interventions, through 9 months are ongoing. There's been reformation of the license.
You are sounding hopeless, and I'm worried.
No, I'm not sounding hopeless. No, I'm not sounding hopeless at all.
You are sounding as if now we should all come around and pray.
No, not come around and pray. But I'm saying that all of us should be able to integrate our energies together.
When did you know this?
People, when did I know this?
When did you know that it was a national problem that needed national support?
Amari, it has always been. It has always been a national problem.
You put it on Akufo-Addo's head as a president at the time. So why are we not putting it on John Mahama's head now?
How are we not putting it on John Mahama's head?
Why are you saying that everybody is involved? We should all go like COVID. We all agree that COVID is a dangerous monster. So we didn't fight COVID that way. We put soldiers on the ground and said, don't go out within that.
I've not said enforcement is a problem. No, I'm not saying.
Why are we not enforcing?
Are there not soldiers on there? Yes, why are there not soldiers on the ground now?
I don't know.
They are. I mentioned that. Exactly. I'm saying that. Look, if it comes to the enforcement, we are using 9 months. There's currently the reformation of the licensing regime. Basically, we are overhauling all the regulations, concerning mining. There's also the responsible cooperative mining and skills development program, because that is supposed to take care of those who still want to mine. However, who are supposed to be doing it.
Yes. Asem no kan nyansa ni ohia slap. At the end of the can say the government and the president can solve it at once. And never will say what you foul also. Afraid the young national anthem on Galamsey. And then Monday. And unim dia Galamsey LGBTQ plus. These were one of the major reasons why a man forgot to Abadiman DC. And today what we hear, lies. Well, Ghana that is what you decided that you wanted, and this is what you have to face. Let's go to the last topic of the day, and we make it a day. Otumfo Osei Tutu Ababio Bekana Brofum the second. Nana Ibo Dia no mama me hoso. And this if we dinani. And when they were in opposition, Ibrahim Mahama or John Mahama Niwia Esherati Sika Editon Krofogu social media so say Omon say Otumfo na Nimonyam. They did that. Yawa Kwabia no teach money. You see a friend Adrimpahene. Yamenfa Nikra Enshejam. Akwano bejina TV so didi na nado atema de ntia na Ibrahim Mahama management some fancy ne dan. Apia Stadium edidi na nado atem. Kevin Taylor sorry odidi na nado didi yewura Otumfo atem. Kevin Taylor so say PS ka man di Otumfo atem. Enam so me share Domahene chi enne Domahene abu akanesim because he never knew that Mahama was a reckless man.
Meaning is a change in beyond. Say, the my a bit chaotic, a bit chaotic. Teacher for by a fan of Mako, teacher for Omobre. Cost of living, no, a cost.
Casano from
cost of living, a cost. Teacher for bread, nest for